Okay, Cody today is going for his 5th locust for a $5 bill.
Oh yeah.
Who's gonna pay the money?
Huh?
Who's gonna pay the moolah? Me.
Yeah, you.
Dang it. Okay, I will. Okay, so let's get started. Sing a song.
$5. $5. $5 headlong. Oh baby, oh baby, oh baby, yeah. $5. $5 headlong. I'm eating straight to the bone. And you got the phone.
Yep.
Alright.
And texting.
We're about to have a moment of silence for the bug. See his head. Alright, Caleb, come hold the bug. Let us have a...
I'll hold it.
Hold it like this. About to have a moment. Hold him in your hand. About to have a moment of silence for the bug. Everybody, get around the bug. Dang it, we can't have a moment of silence. My dad's hammering. Well, it's about to eat the bug. Oh, my heart's pounding. See this?
It is.
See my tongue?
It is.
Okay, ready? I'm not. I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna eat it.
Do it. This is your 5th one. Okay. Back away. Back away. You ate it. You ate it. Yeah, I can say what? You ate it. Hey, I thought I saw something. Okay, you ate it. Well, no show up today. So,
see you guys later.